Hey guys, this is Abel Cruz from buyzz again, and in this opportunity we are here with Nick Lum from Beeline Reader. Hi Nick,
Hi,
how
good
you
to see
doing?
you. Yeah.
Good to see you too. Thank you for the opportunity of interviewing you. All right, so Nick is gonna tell us more about Beeline Reader, and our first question is gonna be, what is Beeline Reader? How would you describe it?
So Beeline Reader is a new way to read on screen that makes it easier and faster. And when you think about it, pretty much everything you do on your phone or your tablet or your computer, it involves color. You play video games, there's color. You surf the web, there's pictures with lots of color. It makes things more immersive and more interesting. And that applies to pretty much everything you do except reading. When you read something, when you read an email, everything is black and white. When you read an ebook, everything is black and white. And we have found a way to use color in text to make reading more interesting and engaging and easier on your eyes.
All right, so this is a software that can help the people to read easier and faster.
That's right.
Yeah, that's very interesting. And how did it all start? What was the inspiration to create Beeline Reader?
Well, the inspiration comes from some really old psychology research related to color perception and reading, the way our brains process text and the way our brains process color. And we took this kernel of research and thought about it and thought of ways that you could use color in text to make reading easier. And what we came up with is this method where we apply a color gradient that wraps from the end of one line to the beginning of the next line, so that your eyes are sort of pulled through the text as you read along. And that turns out to enhance your focus, allow you to read more easily for long periods of time. And it's an incredible accessibility tool for people who struggle with dyslexia or vision problems and many other reading issues.
That's great. So there's a whole medical research behind this.
Yeah, there's actually research going on right now at Stanford Medical School, and research has already been done by various literacy nonprofits and educators who have used this with students and with others.
All right, that's great. And Nick, how is the team promoting Beeline Reader? What is the strategy you guys are using?
Well, most of our promotion is word of mouth. People just like it and they share it with their friends on Facebook or Tumblr or wherever, and that's how the word is getting out. Eventually, we'll be doing integrations with e-textbooks and newspapers and things like that, and that will spread the word even more widely.
All right. And is it how many are you in the team for Beeline Reader?
We're a pretty small team, just a handful of us, but we're having a big impact. We've got about 60,000 users around the world, and we're excited to be growing fast.
All right, great. And how long is it being around, Beeline Reader?
It's been around for a couple of years, but really just in the last two, things have gone on a tear, and we've seen a lot of growth.
All right, that's great. Fantastic. And what is the future of Beeline Reader? Are you guys want to add new features to it, or are you want to create different things?
Yeah, so what we have now is a suite of tools. We have an iOS app that you can use to read news articles, ebooks, social media, email, things like that. A Chrome extension that does much the same thing. Same for Firefox, a PDF converter for offline documents, and we're coming out with an Android plugin soon. But really our focus going forward is going to be doing these integrations with websites, and we've done some of these already with CNET, Springwise, and some literacy websites, and we're going to be doing more of those so that people don't have to download plugins. So the focus is going to be doing these native integrations with actual reading apps, and that way people can use it even more easily.
All right. So right now it's available in the App Store, and for which browsers does it work?
So on desktop, it's Chrome and Firefox. For mobile, it's iOS,
iOS,
the Safari. And then we're going to be on Firefox for Android as well.
All right, that's great. And how do the people get hold of Beeline Reader? Well, you already say it's in the App Store, so
Yeah.
they can download in the App Store
Yeah.
for iOS, for iPhone and iOS devices.
Yeah, and they can just get all of the tools also from our website. If you load our website on an iPhone, when you click install, it's going to take you to the App Store. If you're on a computer, it's going to take you to the Chrome Store or download the Firefox add-on. So you can just click that install button, and then whatever device you're on, it'll load the right thing.
All right, and then the people need to purchase, or is it a free app?
So all the tools have some sort of free functionality that you can try out. And on Chrome, that means you get 30 days, just unlimited use, free trial, and after that, it's like $1 a month, so not terribly expensive.
Okay.
And on iOS, there's free websites that you can use it with, and then also some in-app purchases that range from $1 to $5. But it's pretty cheap. If you want to read any Kindle book on your iPad, it's a $5 one-time purchase.
All right, so people have different options, free and paid options too.
Right. Yep.
That's great. And what is the website?
BeelineReader.com, Beeline reader.com. And I forgot to mention, we also have a student pass that we're doing right now. So anybody who signs up on our website with an EDU email address or another student email address will get links to get free versions of some of the products that they can use, so they can spread the word around to their colleagues and classmates.
Awesome. So now you know, students, you can get a free pass for in BeelineReader.com, and also please go to buyzz that is going to be featuring this product. And thank you for following us and for watching this interview. Thank you, Nick.
Thank you.